everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are currently at Wally World and I am excited to get some Walmart Ibotta deals. I know, I love it, I love it, I love it. I only have one child with me today. Luckily the second child is at Grandma and Grandpa's house, so I don't have to take forever to go shopping like it was last week. Yeah, last week was a nightmare. But anyways, Charlotte and I are super excited to get some deals. So far as I know, I don't have an Ibotta bonus for the Weekend Warrior yet. It doesn't pop up sometimes until I submit my receipt. So we will see what happens, but there's some easy freebies and some great deals. So let's go have fun and go do some shopping. Here's an awesome deal on the little critters. You can get these ones, otherwise you can also get the Vitafusions, but these are $5.98. You're gonna buy two of them and pay $11.96. But with swag bucks, you get 700 swag bucks back when you buy two, plus you get $2.25 back times two with Ibotta, making two of these bottles just 46 cents. Now here we have the Flintstone Vitamins that are $6.88. You want to buy two of them. You can use two printable $3 off insert coupon or $3 off coupons that we got from coupons.com. You would pay $7.76, but then there is an Ibotta deal where you get $5 back off of two. So makes your final price just $2.76, which I didn't figure out what the price was each. Which is $1.38 each. We have the women's one a day or the teens one a day for $8.98. You guys want to use two $3 off printable coupons. You'll end up paying just $11.96. But then there is an Ibotta deal where you get $5 back off of two, making it $6.96. So it's up to you if you want to do that deal. I'm gonna pass, but in case you need those vitamins. Here we have the Queen V Intimate Wash for $3.98. You'd pay $3.98, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And then you also get 601 kicks with shop kicks for scanning and purchasing the product, which is $2.40. So this just comes out to be just 58 cents. Then we also have the Queen V bars for $3.48, and you get a $1 back with Ibotta with that. And then there's also 601 kicks and purchasing with shop kicks, which is again $2.40. This bar of soap just comes out to be 8 cents. So here we have the Oxiclean Sanitizer for $8.93 and the Oxiclean Max Force for $4.42. With swag bucks, we actually have a deal where you get 400 swag bucks when you purchase the two of them. Then with Ibotta, you get a $2 rebate for the Oxiclean Sanitizer, and then you get a $1 rebate with Ibotta for the Max Force. When you purchase the two items, you actually get a $1 bonus. So altogether, you will pay $13.35. You'll get the $4 back with Ibotta, including the bonus, and then the $4 back with swag bucks, making your final price just $5.35 or $2.67 each. So here we have the Clorox Scentiva wipes for $5.52. You're gonna get that, and then there is a $1.25 rebate that you can get with Ibotta. But we're gonna actually combine this deal, and we're gonna get the Clorox disinfecting wipes for $6.82. And then there is a $1.25 rebate with that. But then when you buy both of those together, you'll end up just paying $12.34 for this. Submit your two receipts, and then you also get a shop kick or swag bucks deal where you get 400 swag bucks when you purchase the two of them, which is $4. So both of these come out to be just $5.35 or $2.67 each. I love the smell of these wipes, that's why I'm doing this deal. So here we have the Splash Fizz. Now there's two different flavors. You can get the orange blood and the lemonade for this deal where you get for 98 cents you get 50 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is only 20 cents. And then they have another one where you get the blackberry raspberry or the black cherry. Again, you get 50 kicks with that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get one of each or whatever, however you guys want to do this, for 98 cents. We do have some 35-cent off printable coupons that you can print, or there is a coupons.com rebate that you guys can submit your receipt to. So you'll either pay 98 cents or you will pay 63 cents. You're going to submit your receipt for the 50 points on Shopkicks for everyone that you get. It is a limited 2 for each deal, so you'll get 20 cents back with that, making your final price just 43 cents a bottle, which is an okay deal. Here we have the Splash water bottles for $2.98. Now we currently have a $1 off printable coupon. There is a coupon on coupons.com. You would pay just $1.98 for one of these, but then there is an Ibotta rebate where you get 60 cents back, making these just $1.38 or 23 cents each. So this is a repeat deal that we are doing because my kids love goldfish. So you're gonna get the family size goldfish for $3.18. You're gonna buy 2 of them, you'll pay $6.36. But then with Shopkicks, you actually get 300 swag bucks back when you purchase the 2 of them, making it just $3.36 or $1.68. So here we have the Cheetos Mac and Cheese for $1.38. You want to use $1 off of 2 insert coupon because there is the mac and cheese right there. You would pay just $1.76, but then you get 15 cents back times 2 with Ibotta, making your final price just $1.38 or $1.46 or 73 cents each. So here we have the Mentos for $1.08. You would pay $1.08 for it, but here with Shopkicks you get 240 kicks, which is 96 cents. So your final price for this just comes out to be 12 cents. Hey everybody, welcome back to my Walmart haul. I am sorry, but I know a lot of you guys like me doing like the follow through and everything. I'm extremely busy. You guys, like, people don't realize like how busy I truly am. I don't get like time to just sit and lay down. I am constantly going, or constantly moving. I have 10 Etsy orders that I have pending. We're going on vacation starting after this weekend, and I need to start getting all that stuff done. So I am just gonna kind of just walk through everything. You guys saw everything that I did get. The only thing I didn't get was the 1-a-day deal. I didn't feel like I needed that. But I did mess up on one of the things, the Cheetos Macaroni and Cheese. I totally forgot that there was a Fetch Rewards offer on that. So basically what you guys would do is you buy 2 of them, you use that $1 off of 2 coupon, then you pay $1.76. There is a 15 cent rebate with Ibotta times 2. Hey Paris. And then, oh, and if everybody who hasn't watched my vlogs lately because I've been too busy, Paris is doing good. Yeah, still driving me crazy though. But I forgot to say that there was 750 points that you get with Fetch Rewards, which is 75 cents. So your total would actually be 68 cents or 34 cents for that, if you guys do get the Cheetos Macaroni and Cheese. But everything turned out fine. Everything scanned fine. My total came to be $65.31 for all that stuff. Originally, it was like 80 something I think before tax. I can't remember, but anyway, $65.31. I ended up receiving $17.90 back with Ibotta. My Weekend Warrior did pop up after like resetting the app. I don't know how many times it finally did pop up. It was what was it, $1 for 10 items, and then there was another bonus that popped up called a pop quiz, and I need 39 rebates, I think is what I need for $10. That's not gonna happen with me, but I had 11 rebates together today for everything. So, but I did receive $17.90 back from Ibotta. With Swagbucks, I did receive 1,500 points. Now, I stopped using the app to submit my receipt because I was just having problems like for a while there, and I don't know if they fixed it or not, but I just go straight to the website on my phone and I submit my receipt. But I did get $1,500 with swag, or $1,500. That would be awesome. I did get 1,500 points, which is $15 through Swagbucks. That is for the Vitafusion. I ended up getting the Clorox, the Oxiclean, and then the Goldfish. With Shopkicks, I received 1,552 points. That was $6.20. With Fetch Rewards, I only received 887 points, which was 88 cents. I did finish the Weekend Warrior for 10 rebates for $1, and then I did receive a Oxiclean bonus for $1 also. So my grand total came to $23.33. I got 18 items. That's just $1.55 each. So not the greatest haul, but I'm pretty happy with what I got. I know the Clorox deal, I will definitely be using those items. I haven't used Oxiclean, but I will definitely try using it. But I did end up saving $48.68 for everything, so I feel like it was great. It was so wonderful shopping with one child over two. Thursday is when school starts. School for us doesn't start for another 2 weeks. But when school starts, I will have like 2 hours by myself because Charlotte will be in preschool, so I'll have to get everything done in 2 hours. So it'll be nice getting couponing done like super early, super fast and everything. So I'm pretty excited with that. And Charlotte starts 3K. She starts our preschool, preschool for 2 days a week. So yes, but I will not be doing a Walmart video next week. I am going on vacation. We are going to the very, very top of Upper Michigan. We're going on a little family vacation, someplace where I can just kind of sit back, relax. I still will be crafting, mostly while we're in the car, but I just want a time where we can just sit and relax. We're just kind of taking a nice, easy vacation, which I am super excited for, a much needed vacation. So there is no Walmart Ibotta haul or anything, but I'll definitely be back for the weekend because I love shopping on the weekend at Walgreens. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for not posting the aftermath. I usually will do it, but I just have a lot of stuff to do. I'm just crazy busy. I wish you guys could see how busy I am. I should probably make another vlog on how crazy busy I am, but then won't get posted for a couple days after that. That's just how crazy I am. But anyways, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in 2 weeks for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.